Luxury today no longer shouts. It whispers. In a world obsessed with size, shine, and spectacle, a new kind of home is quietly redefining what true elegance means. Inspired by Parisian refinement and Scandinavian restraint, quiet luxury homes prove that beauty is not about excess, but intention. In this video, we uncover how subtle materials, thoughtful proportions, and calm atmospheres create spaces that feel expensive without ever trying to impress. From the very first glance, this home sets a different tone. The facade doesn't compete for attention, it earns it. Parisian symmetry meets Scandinavian minimalism through limestone walls, soft oak accents, and slender black steel windows. There are no dramatic gestures here, only confident restraint. Every proportion feels measured, every material intentional. This is quiet luxury in its purest form, architecture that feels timeless rather than trendy, calm rather than loud, and deeply refined without a single flashy detail. The living room reveals the philosophy fully. Soft natural light flows across limestone surfaces and warm wood floors, creating contrast without drama. Furniture sits low, grounded, and inviting, designed for living, not displaying. Textures do the talking, linen, wool, stone, and wood quietly layering comfort and sophistication. Nothing overwhelms the eye, yet everything feels considered. This space proves that luxury isn't about what you add, but what you allow to breathe. In the master bedroom, quiet luxury becomes deeply personal. Neutral tones soften the space, while linen curtains filter light instead of blocking it. The bed is low, grounded, and unpretentious, wrapped in natural textures that invite rest. There's no excess decor, only balance and proportion. This room doesn't try to impress guests, it prioritizes the experience of waking up slowly, peacefully, and undisturbed. Luxury here is measured in silence, not sparkle. The kitchen shows how function becomes elegance when stripped of excess. Handleless oak cabinetry blends seamlessly into limestone countertops, creating visual calm. Brass fixtures add warmth without stealing attention. Everything has a place, and nothing feels forced. This is a kitchen designed for daily rituals, not performance, where cooking feels grounding rather than stressful. Quiet luxury thrives here because practicality is elevated through craftsmanship, not decoration. The mezzanine introduces vertical calm. Open yet intimate, it overlooks the living space without dominating it. Light filters down naturally, connecting levels in a gentle architectural conversation. Materials remain consistent, oak, stone, steel, reinforcing unity rather than contrast. This space isn't defined by purpose alone, but by feeling. It reminds us that quiet luxury values flow, rhythm, and restraint over visual drama. The bathroom transforms routine into ritual. Limestone wraps the space in softness, while brass fixtures introduce subtle warmth. Light reflects gently off stone, creating a spa-like calm without excess. There are no bold tiles or dramatic contrasts, only balance and serenity. Quiet luxury here feels almost meditative, proving that true indulgence is found in comfort, tactility, and thoughtful simplicity. The front yard avoids decorative overload, choosing restraint instead. Natural stone paths, sculpted greenery, and muted tones extend the home's architectural language outdoors. Nothing competes for attention, everything supports harmony. This landscape doesn't announce wealth, it suggests confidence. Quiet luxury understands that elegance begins long before you open the door. On the rooftop, the city fades into the background. Neutral seating, soft textures, and open sky create a space for reflection rather than entertainment. Inspired by Parisian rooftops and Scandinavian calm, this area prioritizes atmosphere over spectacle. It's a reminder that luxury isn't always about views, but about how a space makes you slow down and breathe. The working room balances productivity with peace. Natural light, minimal furnishings, and warm materials create focus without pressure. There are no bold statements, only clarity. Quiet luxury here supports the mind, not distracts it. This space proves that a well-designed environment can elevate not just how we live, but how we think. The backyard is designed for stillness. Limestone surfaces meet soft greenery in a controlled yet natural composition. Furniture is minimal, encouraging presence rather than activity. This space feels private, grounded, and timeless, an extension of the home's philosophy. Film frame's closing statement, almost equals 400 characters. Quiet luxury homes inspired by Paris and Scandinavia teach us a powerful lesson: true elegance is never loud. It's found in materials that age beautifully, spaces that breathe, and design that respects daily life. In choosing calm over spectacle, these homes don't just look luxurious, they feel meaningful, enduring, and deeply human.